Welcome to Boracay, Philippines, a paradise of white sand, turquoise waters, and enough sunshine to make even my sunscreen nervous. Now, getting here is a bit of an adventure. Boracay is a small island, which means no direct flights. Instead, you fly into either Calibo or, if you want to keep it shorter, Caticlan, like I did. Since I prefer my vacations without unnecessary stress, I booked an airport pickup through my hotel. This means no haggling for transport, no figuring out multiple fees, and most importantly, no carrying my own luggage. Luxury? Maybe. Lazy? Very likely. Worth it? Absolutely. A shuttle bus took me to the floating pier near the airport, where Henann, the hotel group I'm staying with, has its own setup. From there, a speedboat brings me to Boracay in just 10 minutes, and the luggage was taken care of from arriving at the airport until the reception at the hotel. Henann has several hotels on the island, but I chose Henann Crystal Sands for two reasons. One, it has rooms with direct pool access, because stepping out of bed into a pool is my definition of a good start into the day. Secondly, it faces the sunset, meaning I can sip a drink in the rooftop pool bar while looking over the beach. We'll come to that shortly. Now let's check out my home for the week. Just around the corner I found this water dispenser, which is great because the hotel doesn't hand out plastic water bottles. Here I can fill up the jar that you saw before. The pool landscape here is beautiful, though the buildings around it do block the sun a bit. And if you're looking for total privacy while swimming, let's just say it's a bit reduced. The highlight? The rooftop pool, especially at sunset. Just look at this view. And there is of course also a pool bar. It's time to eat. This walkway leads to the Sapphire restaurant, my breakfast spot and all-day dining place. It's always buzzing during meal times, so I filmed it during an off hour, because who wants to compete with hungry vacationers for a good shot? And finally, let's talk about the main attraction, the beach. Just steps away from the hotel, you get that powdery white sand and crystal clear water that Boracay is famous for. Oh, and speaking of things that would make my day, have you subscribed to my channel yet? No pressure, but if you do, I will see it in the stats and I will be less depressed. Now it's time to explore more of Boracay's west coast, try some amazing food, hop on a cruise and soak up the beach life. Let's go!